Dear students, in our previous class we had started the discussion about transitive and intransitive verb. So what is verbs? Verb is a word or a group of words that shows what someone or something, okay, does. In what state someone or something is. A verb is a word or group of words that shows what someone or something does. That means action. Verb indicates an action, an event and state in a present, past or future, as performed by a subject or acted upon an object. Kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verbs, transitive and intransitive. What is transitive verb? The transitive verb expresses an action that passes over from the subject to the object. Okay, the action passes over from subject to the object. ആക്ഷൻ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിലേക്ക് പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബ്സ്. പ്രീത റീഡ്സ് എ ബുക്ക്. Matthew kicked the ball over the goal post. Okay, it has object. But in the case of intransitive, verb cannot have an object. Without the object, the sentence is completed. Okay, intransitive verb, when an action of verb does not passes over to any object, the verb is said to be an intransitive verb. One. Okay, that means it cannot have an object. The dog barks loudly and Paromida is dancing. Here in the case of these two sentences don't have subject. Okay, sorry, not object. Exercise 1. Write in the space provided whether the verbs are used in the following sentences are transitive or intransitive. The cat mewed softly. Here object is the noun. It is intransitive. The elephant lifted its trunk. That is transitive because here object is here. Ridhima danced gracefully. Intransitive. The lion roared ferociously. That means intransitive. Here there is no object. The bus stopped to pick up more passengers. Transitive. The breeze blows softly. Which one? Intransitive. Nejma was laughing loudly. Intransitive. Nina raised a lot of hue and cry over the issue. Yes, transitive. Vicky was driving a black. That is transitive. The children skipped across the soft carpet of the fallen leaves. Which one? Yes, intransitive. Next one, conjugation of verbs. The verbs are forming past tense by adding ed, d or t to the present are known as weak verbs. In the case of weak verbs, we add d, t or ed with the present verbs. Okay, this present verbs is changed into the past verb. That time add ed, t or d. Okay, that we call weak verbs. Those requiring only ed for the purpose are known as regular verbs. The following are commonly used weak verbs. Examples are given: allow, allowed, allowed. Address, addressed, addressed. Apply, applied, applied. Bring, brought, brought. Okay, that you have to read. Here the examples also given. Next one, there are a few verbs which do not undergo any change in the form of in any of the forms. In the case of some verbs, they do not have any change. In the case of present tense and past tense and past participle, it has same format. Here there is no change. Examples is given, that also you have to read. Cost, cost, cost. Spread, spread, spread. Cut, cut, cut. Cast, cast, cast. Hit, hit, hit. And set, set, set. put. Okay. Next one, strong or irregular verbs. The verbs forming their past tense by changing the vowel in the present tense are known as strong or irregular. Okay, verbs forming their past tense by changing the vowel. Changing the vowel in the present. Okay, awake, awoke, awoken. Beat, beaten. Be, was, were, been. Beat by. Okay, that is known as irregular verbs. Next one, exercise 2. Write the correct conjugation of verbs given below. Okay, awake, awoke, awoken. Go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Drive, drove, driven. Fight, fought, fought. Full, fell, fallen. Throw, threw, thrown. Say, said, said. Wake, walk, woken. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay, next one. One letter is given that you have to fill. You have won a gift hamper from Bournvita after qualifying the preliminary round of a quiz, and you are invited to finals of quiz contest. Complete the following letter with the help of suitable verbs. Okay, dear Mr. Sanjay, we are glad. We have to add the correct form of verb. We are glad to inform you that you have won the preliminary round of the Bournvita quiz contest. Heartiest congratulations, you will now receive a gift hamper worth 5,000. We request you to participate in the finals of quiz contest to be held in Mumbai. Kindly carry your identity card. Your railway fare of AC second tier will be paid by us. Next one, the C is your homework that you have to write down in your English textbook. Okay, dear students. And D, complete the following paragraph with the correct verbs you can take from the box. On a bright sunny day, Sam and his dog Bruno were walking along. Walking along the sandy beach. The boy whistled as he walked. Bruno followed closely behind him, and they had not reached far when Bruno suddenly spotted a red crab coming out of the sand. It chased a tiny creature, barked, and snapped at it. The little red crab squared away and disappeared into the sand. Bruno tried to grab it, but he missed it. Sam was amused watching all this. Okay, you have only one homework, the C, that you have to write down in your English textbook. After that, you must send. Okay, dear students.